It's over. Liverpool are officially the worst Premier League team this season. Losing 4-1 to PSV at home on Anfield is completely unheard of when you in the previous week lose 3-0 to Nottingham Forest, also at home on Anfield. Now, I'm no expert in coaching, but this downfall seriously needs to be studied. Going from winning the Premier League in last season to now putting up these results. It's clear to me that Arne Slot has to go. I don't even want to know what kind of exercises he's putting up on the training pitch, but it isn't football. But enough talk about trashy Liverpool, because this team, wow! Chelsea FC is going to win the Champions League this year. Mark my words. And the main man, right winger, Estevao. What a fucking guy. Lamine that, Yamal this, all that talk for absolutely nothing, because this man right here, just look at his aura. He outshined everybody. I can smell the Neymar regen in the air. And just to be nice, I'm leaving these guys out of the conversation. Man City 0, Leverkusen 2. It's over.